Google, oh the Google. It baffles me to see how Google has emerged as the biggest tech giant in the world within just 2 decades. From a 4-year-old toddler to a 70-year-old adult, everyone knows what Google is today. The word that was meant to be a noun is now widely used as a verb. Think about it. You start a company with some name and then it becomes so popular that it's included in a language. We all say that, oh, you don't know the way around this XYZ, just Google it. Now that it's so popular and an integral part of our daily lives, we might as well look at it from a monetary angle. Yep, Google can help you generate revenue, which is probably why nowadays, how to earn money online with Google as a student is a big question in every young mind. Before we answer it and tell you 3 common ways on how you can leverage Google to earn money, make sure to subscribe to Laptop Life Pro to know more ways on how you can build side hustle and earn online to have multiple sources of income. And now let's dive right in. Register on Google Adsense. The tips on how to earn money from Google at home can never start with anything other than AdSense. A major chunk of the industries today are nothing else but advertising agencies. So let's understand what this advertising platform of Google is all about. To be precise and simple, Google AdSense puts ads on your websites. The prerequisites here is that, obviously, you need to have a website. Not just any ordinary website, but one that constantly has substantially high engagement, and Google pays billions of dollars each year in this vertical. Once your website has a commendable number of visitors, then all you need to do is register on Google AdSense. The Google team will then evaluate the quality of your website and check its reach and engagement, following which the advertisements will start appearing on your website. Even a few advertisements will fetch you a good sum of money. Just stay regular and keep adding quality content to your website. Patience is the key to this method of earning online from Google. However, once you reach the desired level, your profits rolling in will see no boundaries. A note, AdSense doesn't work on a WordPress blog. If you wish to implement ads on your WordPress blog, then do try Word Ads. Start a channel on YouTube. I don't think YouTube needs an introduction. Everyone knows about it and regularly uses it. For once, I can buy that you have uninstalled social media apps, but I don't think staying out of touch with YouTube is possible. At times, I often wonder if there's anything that you cannot find on YouTube. The hours uploaded per minute of video on YouTube are ever increasing and sure to continue in the same fashion for the next decade. So, earning money from YouTube is easy. Your hobby or passion is the answer to how to earn money online with Google as a student. Create a YouTube channel. Record the thing you enjoy doing the most and see if people out there like it. Let's say you love going on road trips or bikes. Just get a GoPro camera and record your journey. I'm sure if you keep in mind basic things about vlogging, then there's a huge fan base you can reach out to in this domain, including me. Cooking reviewing and reaction videos are going popular at unimaginable speeds. Once you hit a good number of views and subscribers, you're sure to start earning volumes. Lay your hands on Google Blogger Blogspot. If you have even a slight experience in writing, or if you're good at it, then Google Blogger could be the perfect way to go. It is quite popular among professional bloggers. Are you thinking about what topic you should pick? Your expertise is the solution. It is the solution for probably all the answers to how to earn money online with Google as a student. There are no restrictions on the list or the number of topics. Spill your heart out and write about anything from fashion to politics. Just make sure you write flawlessly and attract maximum viewership. Once you have regular viewership, options to monetize your blog are countless. That was all from us today, folks. If you learned something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and do turn on the bell notification to never miss any video from us. Keep hustling.